Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua very important to wash our sins. MashaAllah, we are blessed people that we have been told so many dua in hadith books and also from Holy Quran that those are a beautiful treasure for us in order to get purification and also forgiveness of our sins so that we should have a good access before Allah at the day of judgment. So we have to look after these dua and we have to, with our respect and regard, we have to recite them before Allah and request for forgiveness of our sins and to get purity in order to get success in this world and the world hereafter. So this way, like we are requesting Allah to wash away all of our bad deeds and sinful acts, and also you we request Allah you have to wash away like the white clothes. White clothes are visible, like if there are dirty spots on the white clothes, those are visible for a long distance also, so those become like those make a bad impression actually. So this way we are requesting Allah that like a white cloth which is having so many dirty spots, when it is washed, all the dirty spots they are washed away and the white cloth becomes so much nice and beautiful and shiny before us. So please make us like this and also wash away our sins like the dirt of dirty spots of the white clothes are washed away and then clothes become very shine nice. So please wash away our sins like this and make ourselves like so much shine so that we should be having a good face before you in this world and the world hereafter. So this is beautiful dua, we have to read this one. So أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم طهرني من الذنوب والخطايا اللهم نقني منها كما ينقى الثوب الأبيض من الدنس اللهم طهرني من الذنوب والخطايا اللهم نقني منها كما ينقى الثوب الأبيض من الدنس اللهم طهرني من الذنوب والخطايا اللهم نقني منها كما ينقى الثوب الأبيض من الدنس. So we have to understand the meaning of this. Allahumma, O Allah, tahirni, give me purification. Min az-zanub, from sinful acts. Wal khataya, and from my errors and mistakes. Allahumma nakkini, O Allah, clean me. Minha kama yunakka sobul abyadu minadanas. Like the white garment is cleaned from its dirts. So you have to clean me like that. Allahumma tahirni minaz zanubi wal khataya. Allahumma nakkini minha kama yunakka Kasobul abiyadu minad danas. O Allah, purify me from my sins and mistakes and errors. O Allah, clean me like white garment which is cleaned from its dirts. So this dua is very important. When we recite this, inshallah, Allah will forgive our sins and we will be in a better position to face Allah in this world and the world hereafter. Allah give us tawfiq to recite it and accept it and make our this life and life hereafter better. Ameen.